GeoByte.
Hello students, welcome to GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss selective and important general knowledge questions with answers for all types of competitive exams. These questions has been asked in different competitive exams and there are chances to ask again in competitive exams. So these questions are very important. In this video, I am going to discuss the general knowledge questions on computer under subtopic General Introduction, Part 4. Moving to the question number 1. C in CPU denotes option A central, option B convenient, option C common, option D computer, option E circuitry. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. So C in CPU denotes central. So the correct answer is option A, central. Next, moving to the question number 2. Dash devices convert human understandable data and programs into a form that the computer. Option A, printing. Option B, output. Option C, solid state. Option D, monitor. Option E, input. And the correct answer is option E, input. Input devices convert human understandable data and programs into a form that the computer. Next, moving to the question number 3. The arithmetic or logic unit performs the following actions. Option A, checks data for accuracy. Option B, does calculations using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Option C, does logical comparisons such as equal to, greater than, less than. Option D, both calculations and logical comparisons. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option D, does both calculations and logical comparisons. So arithmetic or logic unit performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical comparison such as equal to, less than, and greater than. Next, moving to the question number 4. A microprocessor is the brain of the computer and is also called an option A, microchip, option B, macrochip, option C, macroprocessor, option D, calculator, option E, software. And the correct answer is option A, microchip. Next, moving to the question number 5. The primary goal of a computer system is to turn data into option A, ideas, option B, suggestions, option C, information, option D, reports, option E, pictures. And the correct answer is option C, information. The primary goal of a computer system is to turn data into information. Next, moving to the question number 6. The three main components of a computer are option A, RAM, input or output devices, central processing unit. Option B, tape, floppy disk, monitor. Option C, central processing unit, floppy disk, monitor. Option D, central processing unit, monitor, printer. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, RAM, input or output devices, central processing unit. These are the three main components of a computer. Moving to the question number 7. Once information is input into a computer, it becomes option A, objects, option B, data, option C, ideas, option D, facts, option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, data. Next, moving to the question number 8. Input, output, and processing devices grouped together represents an option A, mobile device, option B, information processing cycle, option C, circuit board, option D, computer system, option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option D, computer system. Next, moving to the question number 9. An electronic device operating under the control of information that can accept data, process the data, produce output, and store the result for future use. Option A, input. Option B, computer. Option C, software. Option D, hardware. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, computer. Moving to the question number 10. The CPU comprises of control memory and units. Option A, microprocessor. Option B, arithmetic or logic. Option C, output. Option D, ROM. Option E, input. And the correct answer is option B, arithmetic or logic. Moving to the question number 11. Main memory works in conjunction with option A, special function cards. Option B, RAM. Option C, CPU. Option D, Intel. Option E, all of these. And the correct answer is option C, CPU. Moving to the question number 12. The main job of a CPU is to option A, carry out program instructions. Option B, store data or information for future use. Option C, process data and information. Option D, both A and B, both A and C. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option D, both A and B. That means carry out program instructions and process data and information. Moving to the question number 13. When speaking of computer input and output, input refers to option A, any data processing that occurs from new data input into the computer. Option B, retrieval of data or information that has been input into the computer. Option C, data or information that has been entered into the computer. Option D, the transmission of data that has been input into the computer. Option E, both C and D above. And the correct answer is option E, both C and D above. It means data or information that has been entered into the computer and the transmission of data that has been input into the computer. Next, moving to the question number 14. All of the logic and mathematical calculations done by the computer happen on the option A, system board. Option B, central control unit. Option C, central processing unit. Option D, motherboard. Option E, memory. And the correct answer is option C, central processing unit. Moving to the question number 15. The computer's processor consists of the following parts. Option A, CPU and main memory. Option B, hard disk and floppy drive. Option C, main memory and storage. Option D, operating system and applications. Option E, control unit and ALU. And the correct answer is option E, control unit and ALU. Let me know how many questions you answered correctly. Please do comment. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.
GeoByte.